Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have a good one for you today. I was watching videos on YouTube and I watched this particular video and it reminded me of something that I wanted to try and I had forgotten all about. Today I am going to be making, as you could probably have seen in the thumbnail, fried frog legs. Now the video that reminded me that I wanted to try these things was a video by Okie Smokin', and he just recently put up a video of doing frog legs. I will leave a link to his channel and video of his frog legs down in the description. All right, enough of this talking. We need to make a marinade and let these frog legs soak in the fridge for about a half an hour to an hour. So let's get right to it. Okay, in order to make the marinade, it is going to be very simple. I have 16 ounces of buttermilk. I have 2 eggs. I have a 1/4 cup of hot sauce, and I'm going to be putting in some of the seasoning that I'm using in the flour. It's got a Cajun seasoning and it's called Slap Yo Mama. All right, let's get to putting everything in here and get it whisked up. All right, first we're going to put the buttermilk in there. And I'm going to put the hot sauce in there. You can use whatever you want. And now we're going to put the 2 eggs in there. All right, get my egg gloves off of here, and we'll get this whisked up. And let's get some of the seasoning in here. All right, now it's time to get the frog legs in here. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Doesn't that look good? I really hope it's good. I really want to like these. All right, make sure they're all fully submerged. And what we're going to do now is put these frog legs in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. And what this buttermilk is going to do, it's going to help tenderize the meat. All right, I'll be back in about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, everybody, I am back, and it has been 1 hour, and it's time to make the breading. And let me bring you down below, and I will show you what we have. Okay, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. I have a 1/2 cup of cornmeal. I have a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, a 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 1 tablespoon of Slap Yo Mama seasoning. All right, let's get this in the container and get it all mixed in together. First, we're going to do the flour. Then we're going to do the cornmeal. And then the panko breadcrumbs. The cornstarch. And the Slap Yo Mama seasoning. All right, let's get all this whisked in together. Okay, that should be good enough. Let's get the frog legs. All right, like I said, they've been marinating for about an hour. All right, let's get it in the breading. Oh yeah, look at those. I get a couple in here at a time. Make sure you get these well coated. And I'm going to go back in the batter. Get another coating on them. We're going to make these things crunchy. Okay, and that's probably what you're looking for. All right, now we're going to let this oil heat up just 375 degrees, and we're going to get these frog legs frying up. I can't wait. I really hope I like this. Okay, our oil has reached 375 degrees plus. And let's get these frog legs in. All right, it's all or nothing. Here we go. All right, we're going to give them about 10 minutes since we got the oil covering all of the frog legs. We shouldn't have to flip them, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be flipping them about halfway through. So we're going to give it 10 minutes or until golden brown, but I'm going to flip them at about 4 minutes. Normally you deep fry at 350 degrees, but if you want crispy, you need to go above 350 degrees. That's why I chose 375, which should actually hit about 380. So these should turn out pretty crispy, is what I'm hoping. Yeah, they're looking good already. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Yeah, they're actually smelling pretty good. This is going to be some good stuff. All right, time to flip them. Oh, doesn't that look good? Nice color on it. I really got high hopes for this. Okay, you want 160 or better? And let's check it out. Oh yeah, we're 176. Well, we're definitely there. 180. And there you go. We got some done frog legs. All right, let's get them up on the tray. Get them cool. Look at that big frog leg. Had to be a monster. All right, we're going to let those cool for a little bit, and I'll bring it back when it's time to try it out for the first time. And I really hope I like them. I think I'm going to. They look and smell fantastic. All right, here you go. These things are piping hot, so we got to let them cool down a little bit. But they turned out fantastic. They smell delicious. And as soon as these things cool down a little bit, I'm going to be chomping down on one. All right, I'll bring it back when it's time to give you my first official taste test of frog legs, and I'll let you know what I think. All right, everybody. Here's the frog legs. Hopefully they're cooled off by now, but if not, I am definitely going to find out, and I am going to be burning my mouth. But we got to get the taste in these frog legs. Here's one right here. Oh yeah. Look at the steam coming off of that. All right, here we go. I'm not going to be using any sauce or anything like that. We're just going to go with the seasoning and the breading that was on here. All right, here we go. We got a chunk of meat right there. Let's give it a test. Ooh, this sucker's hot. Oh yeah. It's actually pretty good. Does it taste like chicken? Yeah, kind of. But it does have its own taste. Not a fishy taste like some people say. Well, at least these aren't fishy tasting. It's got a frog leg taste. And that's actually pretty damn good. Get some more meat. Oh yeah. Here's some meat right here. I am definitely a fan. If you have never tried frog legs, you definitely got to try these things. Pretty damn good. Now, that time it tasted like a little bit like chicken. Definitely a keeper. I will definitely be making these again. Next time I think we're going to barbecue them with my barbecue sauce. Link down below if you want to try some of my barbecue sauce. It does not taste like what you think. This is actually very good. Right up there with chicken wings. All right, everybody. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here and you like this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the button below. And as I always say, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Stop making boring food and try new things. Which is what I did right here with frog legs. And they were absolutely delicious. And I will be making these again many times over. So watch out for a future video. And we're going to barbecue some on the grill. All right, everybody. Thank you. Take care. And I'll see you in... Oh, wait a second. We have one thing left to do. All right, everybody. I got a fridge of magnets here. I don't have too many at all. But if you would like to send me a magnet from your channel, I will gladly display it in a future video. Obviously, there's my magnet and another one of my magnets. And look at that. We got Gorilla Joe's barbecue. And what? What's this? My latest addition. The Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking with Rob. If you have not checked out his channel, you definitely need to, as well as Gorilla Joe's barbecue. But Rob, thank you so much for sending me your new magnet. I really appreciate it. So everybody, go check out Rob a Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Go check out Gorilla Joe's barbecue. And thank you to Oki Smoking for this idea of the frog legs. And thank you everybody again for watching. And I will definitely catch you on the next one. Take care.